We can welcome Mr. Pardeep Sharma, Territory Manager, Pearson PT. Welcome, sir.
Thank you so much.
Sir, I would like to ask you one thing. So, why PTE is leading?
The PTE Academic exam is a unique exam. It's a very unique exam. Why this is so? Because it's a computer-based exam and it is evaluated by the artificial intelligence, which means the student will be evaluated by the computer itself. So there is no human interference in between. And apart from that, if we can talk about the format of that exam, we do have a certain 20 different item types in this exam. And every item type has its own beauty.
Okay.
And likewise, if we can, if I could share the time duration of the exam, the duration it's like 2 hours, and the typically results will be coming up within 48 hours.
Okay.
And maximum it will take around 5 working days. But usually students are getting results within 48 hours.
Okay. So they don't have to wait for long.
Yes. So apart from that, like why PT is leading, because the students are adapting this new trend very aggressively because they find it very easy, and they can do PT kar befikar.
That's an interesting tagline. So, what is the recognition of PTE in Canada, New Zealand, Australia, and UK?
All right. So back in 2023, like we are, IRCC accepted PTE under the SDS route, but earlier it was accepted only for the non-SDS route.
Okay.
But yes, now it's a huge ground to play for the test takers. They can easily get their visas based on PT score report. So the minimum requirement for the PTE Academic for the Canada SDS route, it's 60 points overall.
Okay.
Which means those students who got 60 overall in the PTE Academic exam, they are eligible to launch their file under the SDS route for the Canada. And for the Australia, like there are many universities and colleges, like we do have the 100% acceptance in Australia, New Zealand, and UK. Which means there are many universities and colleges from the Australia, New Zealand, and UK. They are providing the scholarship on the PT exam, on the PT test score report.
Okay.
Yes. So there are certain parameters that they need to follow it.
That's great. Yeah. Then what's the difference between PT Academic and PT UKVI?
All right. Okay. PT Academic, it's widely accepted by the Australian government and New Zealand government for the study visa, work permit, and PR. For the Canada, like it is only approved under the SDS profile and for the study visa also, and in fact non-SDS route also. So apart from that, UKVI, it's a dedicated exam for the UK only. So PT Academic UKVI, it's widely accepted by UK government under the work visa, study visa permit, or in fact for the PR purposes.
The test means almost same.
Yes.
There is no any difference in the questions.
The test duration, it would be the same. In fact, the item types would be the same. So in fact, the student will get the results typically within 48 hours, like same in PT Academic exam.
Okay.
And we do have the 2 different test centers in Amritsar, and in fact, the students can get easily slots for the PT Academic UKVI there.
That's great. So in their certificates, the difference can be shown?
No. Okay. So the both certificate will be published on the same color, like green.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's great.
But in PT Academic UKVI, वो mention करेंगे कि वो certificate के ऊपर PT Academic UKVI लिखा होगा.
Okay.
And that score report, it's only accepted by UK government.
Okay. So ये है सिर्फ difference होते हैं.
Yeah.
The rest everything.
जी.
Okay, that's fine. So what's the integrated skills?
That is the beauty of our exam, which means जो एग्ज़ाम है वो बच्चे के रिस्पॉन्स को एक स्किल से ज़्यादा इवेलुएट कर पाएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, स्पीकिंग में रीड अलाउड है, बच्चा एक फॉर्मेट कंटेंट को पढ़ रहा है, उसे रीडिंग भी रीड करना है और उसके बाद उसको बोलना है. तो स्टूडेंट विल गेट रीडिंग का कुछ पार्ट एंड कुछ पार्ट फॉर द स्पीकिंग. सेम इन रिपीट सेंटेंस, वो सुन रहा है और सुन के वो लाइन रिस्पॉन्स अपना रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है, So he will get the marks for the listening and speaking both.
ओके सर, एक्चुअली हम ये नेगेटिव मार्किंग के बारे में बहुत सुन रहे हैं एक्चुअली पीटीई में. एक्चुअली पीटीई में नेगेटिव मार्किंग का है क्या? आई मीन
ओके, सो ये मिथ है मार्केट में बहुत फैला हुआ है कि नेगेटिव मार्किंग है पीटी में. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. हम लोग बच्चों के रिस्पॉन्स में कुछ आइटम टाइप में पार्शियल क्रेडिट ज़रूर कर रहे हैं. पार्शियल क्रेडिट का मतलब ये है कि अगर आपका रिस्पॉन्स करेक्ट हुआ देन यू विल गेट 1 पॉइंट. अगर आपका रिस्पॉन्स इनकरेक्ट हुआ, जैसे कि एमसीक्यूज में, रीडिंग में और लिसनिंग में,
यस,
इफ मल्टीपल चॉइस की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, अगर बच्चे का एक रिस्पॉन्स करेक्ट है और दूसरा इनकरेक्ट है, ही विल गेट -1 फॉर द इनकरेक्ट आंसर, बट फॉर द करेक्ट आंसर ही विल गेट +1. अगर वो सेकंड ऑप्शन नहीं चूज करता है और एक ही ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करके आता है मल्टीपल चॉइस में, ही विल गेट 1 पॉइंट.
ओके,
एंड देयर इज नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग
इन दैट.
हाँ,
अगर सेलेक्ट किया है तो एक रॉन्ग आंसर एक राइट आंसर है तो
हाँ,
सो उसका
अगर लेट्स सपोज अगर मल्टीपल चॉइस में 4 ऑप्शंस हैं, चारों ऑप्शंस में से वो एक ऑप्शन पे बिल्कुल कॉन्फिडेंस से सिलेक्ट कर रहा है कि ये करेक्ट आंसर है, अगर वो करेक्ट हुआ तो ही विल गेट 1 पॉइंट.
ओके,
बट अगर सेकंड ऑप्शन उसने तुक्का मार के चूज करा है तो डेफिनेटली अगर वो इनकरेक्ट हुआ तो ही विल गेट -1.
ओके,
अगर वो सेकंड ऑप्शन नहीं सिलेक्ट करता है और छोड़ के आ जाता है, ही विल गेट 0, विच मीन्स जो करेक्ट आंसर था उसका +1 उसको मिल जाएगा.
ओके, फाइन.
In fact, thank you so much for your support, and I want you to grow more with PT and with us, and keep
Sure.
shining with the more success stories
Definitely.
with the PT academic exam.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
With your all support we will have.
Thank you.
Okay.